Hey, Shopify store owners! Ever wondered what sessions means in your analytic reports? Understanding sessions is crucial for analyzing customer behavior and improving your online store. Today, we'll break down what sessions are and why they matter. Imagine your Shopify store as a marketplace. A session is like a single customer visit. It starts the moment someone lands on your store's homepage. Click on an ad and that takes them to a product page or even types in your store URL directly. The session then ends after a period of inactivity, typically 30 minutes or at midnight. A session captures everything a visitor does in your store, like browsing product categories, adding items to their cart, or even completing a purchase. Basically, it's a detailed log of their online shopping journey within your store. One visitor can have multiple sessions. Let's say someone browses your store on their phone during their lunch break and then comes back later on their laptop to make a purchase. That's two separate sessions for the same visitor. Sessions are a more in-depth metric than just visitors. A single visitor might have several sessions if they visit on different devices or come back multiple times throughout the week. Sessions are a goldmine of data for understanding customer behavior and optimizing your Shopify store. Here are some key benefits. Longer session durations typically indicate customers are interested in your products and exploring your store more thoroughly. This can be a sign of effective product descriptions, engaging visuals, or a well-designed user interface. Analyze sessions by traffic source. This lets you see which marketing channels brings the most engaged visitors. Are people coming from social media ads spending more time browsing compared to those arriving from organic search? Session data can help you identify which marketing efforts are driving the most engaged traffic. Compare sessions to orders to see how many sessions convert into sales. A low conversion rate with high sessions might indicate issues with the checkout process, a lack of trust signals on your store. So there you have it. Shopify entrepreneurs, sessions are a valuable metric for understanding customer behavior and optimizing your online store. By analyzing session data, you can identify areas for improvement and ultimately increase sales. Stay tuned for future videos. Sheesh!